How to create account on Uber app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create account on Uber app. So creating an account on the Uber app is quick and easy process. Here's the process how you can do that. First step is that you have to download the Uber app. You have to go to the Google Play Store for your Android device or the Apple Store for your iPhone. So once you are on your Google Play Store or Apple Store, you have to go for the search bar and type the Uber. Once you have typed the Uber, here you can see the Uber app. You have to tap on the install or get to the download the app here. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed. Once the app is installed, you have to open it by tapping on the Uber icon or go for the Uber open option here. And here you have to allow the Uber to access this device location here. So on the home screen, you will see the option to either log in if you have already an account or sign up if you are creating a new account. So you can also continue with your mobile number, with your Google account or with your email here. Just go and select your platform that you want to use. After that, if you have selected your platform, the code number will be sent to your number here. And you will need it to enter your phone number and Uber will send a verification code to that number. And here you can see that you can enter your email address too. After that, you will be successfully logged into your account. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see your Uber account and go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, you can easily add your Gmail and phone number here. If you have logged in into your Uber account with your Gmail, then you have to add your phone number. If you have logged in with your phone number, then you have to add your Gmail. So this is the simple step how you can log in or sign up to your Uber. After completing this setup, you will be able to start booking rides with Uber like this. Just go and open up your Uber app, go for your home, and here you have to pick up the location. So just go and pick up your location. So if there is no rides nearby, then it will show and give you a hint like this. So this is the simple way how you can get your Uber app and create your Uber account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.